Your plant looks dead, right? Well, don't throw it out just yet, because I'm about to show you how a simple bottle of hydrogen peroxide can literally bring your plant back to life. This garden hack works for root rot, fungus, pests, and oxygen-starved soil. Let's fix your plant fast. Hydrogen peroxide is basically water with an extra oxygen molecule. When it breaks down, it releases oxygen directly into the soil. That extra oxygen boosts root health, kills harmful bacteria and fungus, and helps your plant breathe again, especially if the roots are suffocating from overwatering or compacted soil. Here's the magic formula. Mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide, 3%, with 2 parts water. For example, that's 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide with 1 cup of water. Use this as a soil soak or watering solution once every 2 weeks until your plant recovers. If your plant has root rot, gently remove it from the pot, rinse the roots, and soak them in the diluted hydrogen peroxide mix for about 10 minutes. Then repot in fresh, well-draining soil. If your issue is fungus, gnats, or mold, you can also spray the top layer of soil with the same mixture to kill larvae and bacteria safely. Hydrogen peroxide works because it mimics the natural process of rainwater, which actually contains small amounts of H2O due to atmospheric reactions. That's why rain often helps plants perk up. It oxygenates the soil naturally. This method just speeds that up indoors or in potted plants. Don't overdo it. Too much hydrogen peroxide can burn roots or kill beneficial microbes. Always use the 3% household grade and never apply it more than once every 2 weeks. So next time your plant looks dead, remember, it's not over yet. Grab that bottle of hydrogen peroxide, mix it right, and watch your plant bounce back from the brink. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more plant care tips and garden hacks, and comment below what plant you revived.